Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to lock applications and hide your photos on Samsung Galaxy A26. Let's begin! Sometimes you want to just hide something on your phone. Maybe it's an application, maybe it's a photo, maybe it's whatever you like. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So, without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you want to go into the settings, and that's spoiler. But yeah, we want to scroll down and find security and privacy. So we want to go into that, and now want to scroll all the way down and head into more security settings. Here, go to secure folder, and as you can see, we have the welcome screen. We simply hit continue. Then we have to give away a bunch of our permissions. Sadly, it is necessary, and now our phone will create a secure folder. And while it does, I can talk about what is a secure folder. And secure folder actually doubles down on its usage because A, it works as an app cloner, and B, it is an app cloner, but it also requires you to enter a password in order to access the cloned applications. So for example, if we put, let's say, a gallery inside the secure folder, then the gallery inside the secure folder and the gallery outside of it won't share the same photos. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I will show you this right now. So now we have created our secure folder type. We can pick a password. I'm going to go with a pattern. We can have, I didn't know they added that, but we can see a nice pattern that basically says that you are currently creating a password. Please do not forget the password that you are just creating. So I'm going to go with a simple L shape. Of course, you can draw whatever you want. And we can also allow the lock reset with Samsung account. I will hit don't allow, but keep in mind that if you have this disabled, then there is no way for you to just retrieve your password. If you forgot it, then it's gone forever, and everything inside of the secure folder is also gone for good. So yeah, keep that in mind. Anyway, we'll hit OK, and now if we have fingerprints on our phone, we can just enable those, but I don't have one, and I don't really need to go through the process of creating it. So now we are in the secure folder. As you can see, we already have some pre-made applications that are inside of it. We have the camera, the internet, the contacts, my files, gallery, whatever. And now I'm going to show you what I was talking about. Here is the gallery that is outside of the secure folder. As you can see, we have some cool photos of our logos and basically all of that. However, if we go to the secure folder, which is I actually missed it. Where is it? Okay, here it is. If we go to the secure folder, and here we want to go to the gallery, we'll see that this gallery is empty. That is because, well, it is inside of the secure folder, and everything that will be inside of the secure folder will behave like a completely different copy of original application, which is a pretty nice feature to have on your phone. Even if you don't really want to hide something behind the password, you sometimes want to clone something, so you don't have to, manually switch accounts, for example. Let's say I have 2 YouTube accounts, let's say, and I don't want to switch between those every couple of seconds. So instead I can just create a lock screen, create a secure folder, add YouTube into it, and log into a different account. The advantages are, there's many of them, to be honest. Anyway, let's go through other settings that we can change in the secure folder. You might have seen that I can just enter the secure folder and I don't really have to input my password. Where is it? We can go to the 3 dots in the top right corner, then we can go into the settings, and then we can hit auto lock secure folder. Currently it is set to when screen turns off. If you want to input a password every single time we leave the application, we can easily do that by simply switching to each time I leave the application. So now whenever I will leave the application, I have to input my pattern each time. Also, there's a pretty cool feature that You can just hold your finger and then add to home. We can hit add gallery. And now, as you can see, I can actually move it into the main screen so it's visible easily. And we have our normal gallery and our cloned gallery that is hidden behind the password. So whenever I go here, I have to also input our password. I must do that. There is no way for me to avoid that in any possible way. Lastly, there's pretty cool option in customizing the look of the secure folder, because something named secure folder is pretty suspicious and we can easily change that. We can do that by simply going into the settings inside of the secure folder. And okay, no, sorry, we don't want to go to the settings. We want to go to customize, that is right above the settings. And here we can change the name. So for example, I will just go and input not sus at all. Of course, you could change it to like work stuff, family stuff, calendar, whatever floats your boat, really. I'm going to go with not sus at all. I will hit done. I can change the color. I will go with the color green because I really like the color green, and I can also customize my icons. So I can go with, well, what is the least suspicious thing? I think that it's the big puppy. Yeah. And now I can hit apply. And as you can see, our lock screen, our secure folder is now something that is not suspicious at all. I would believe that if I would saw that. Yeah. And if you want to hide the lock screen entirely, you can also do that. We can draw a pattern once again. We can go into the settings. And we can just disable add secure folder to the app screen. You can easily do that, though keep in mind that it will, remove the full secure folder from your home screen, meaning that if you ever want to go into the secure folder itself, you have to go through the settings, security and privacy, more security options, and then secure folder. So keep that in mind. And lastly, like for real this time, something very important, I actually should have mentioned it before, but you can just click the pencil icon and add any application that you want from the apps list. So we can go and add clock if you want to. We can hit add, and now we have a copy of clock. If I would go to the clock, we can see that we don't really have any alarms set other than the default one. And if you would go to the original, we would see that it has different clocks, because as I said before, every single application inside the secure folder behaves like a clone of it, a separate copy that's just hidden behind the password. So yeah. And of course, I forgot what I wanted to talk about. How can you move things? Because now if I would make a photo with my camera that is inside the secure folder, the photo would automatically go to the secure folder camera, but to the gallery. But we can go to the gallery itself. I can choose some photo. For example, I can choose this AI changed one. I can hit 3 dots here, and as you can see, we have moved to not suspicious at all. I can simply hit that. I will still have to input a pattern, so you can't really you can't get inside the secure folder if you just try to move something into it. And now the original is gone, but instead it will be hidden in our gallery. Just like that. And of course the same goes with the files that you have, because if we go to our secure folder, or sorry, not sus at all, we can see that we also have my files. So you can just move your files as easy as you can move your pictures. And to be honest, I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.